Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. Today I am going to paint a boat floating in an ocean. So there will be lots of blues and greens and viridians. Let's jump into the video. First I am going to wet the paper where there is sky, and then I will put cinereous blue. I am sorry for the sound of the rain because it is raining continuously from last night. I am taking good amount of cinereous blue, or you can take light blue and then just paint it with a brush that can hold good amount of pigment in its belly, and then just put the color left and right from top to bottom. You don't have to stop in between. You don't need to you don't need to put color in between where you think that it is not covered properly. You just have to put the color top to bottom. You can see that there is a gradient from top to bottom here. So let the sky dry totally. So for now I will be painting the boat. For the boat I will mix cerulean blue and viridian. Both are from Sennelier, and my brush is a calligraphy brush, medium size. So first you have to make the sketch of the boat very properly, because it is all about the perspective. The tip of the boat should be narrower than the back of the boat because it is at the front side. The back is towards us, so it should be wider than the front. And if the sketch is proper, then there should not be any problem in painting it because it is not so complicated. So we are going to paint the boat with cinereous blue mixed with viridian, little bit of viridian, so that we can get that greenish blue shade. First I am just covering the whole of the boat with the same mixture, and then we will see where can I give the shadows, and where there will be some lifting. As you can see that there is the darker portion of the boat is at the below. So I will be mixing some Indian red, or you can mix some brown or some crimson also with the blue, the previous mixture, and then just put on the areas where there is the rust, or you can say the darker portion of the boat, and just put it there and just wait for it to dry. The ocean, I am just wetting the paper very generously, leaving the boat area. If you have problem in doing so, then you can use masking fluid and mask out the boat and first paint the ocean. I don't like masking fluid personally. If it is very much necessary, only then I use masking fluid, because after the removal of masking fluid it becomes very prominent that there was the use of masking fluid. I can't match the area where I used masking fluid with the background very well. There are some artists who are very much expert in doing so, but I think I am lagging there. So this is the Phthalo turquoise of Sennelier brand, and I've just taken ample amount of Phthalo turquoise, and I'm just putting it just like the sky from top to bottom. I am leaving out that extra wood portion of the boat that is protruded in the ocean at the top of the boat. I am putting the color just left and right from top to bottom. Gradually you will see that I will be increasing the concentration of the Phthalo turquoise, and also I will mix some perylene green with it to get that dark shadow area below the waves, because waves are lighter at their head, and at the base of the waves it is darker comparatively. So I am just leaving some areas light and painting some areas dark randomly. There is no hard and fast rule, because it is wave, it can flow anywhere. So in between those uh, two dark areas there are some light areas. Later on I am going to remove those light areas a little more to give some highlight over the water surface. Now I am mixing perylene green with the previous mixture to make it more dark. You have to remember, the darker you go, you have to give less and less uh, horizontal strokes over the paper, because if you make more dark areas then it will make your painting messy. Here I am lifting up some paint so that I can make some highlight. Now I am making some dark shadows on the ocean. You have to make it sure that the dark areas is blending very well with the lighter area, otherwise it will not look good. Now I am coming to the boat again and repeating the previous color. Here I am using some yellow ochre to paint the inner side of the boat. There are some wood plank on the boat. I am lifting some paint from that to give that impression of wood planks. And I will also paint some shadow by Van Dyke Brown. Here you can see I will be putting some Van Dyke Brown, and also I am blending it with my fingers because it will give some rough edges to the shadows. If you like this video and if you have learned something from this, then please like and comment and also share it with your friends. Hope you enjoy this video. See you next time. Bye.